And we are in the kitchen again at Inside Out. Woohoo! So my name is Barb, as you all know if you're following me in the kitchen. And today we have some yummy snacks. So this is an amazing snack for all of us to try. Oh, one thing. I have a joke for you. Why do avocados roll across the street? Leave your comments down below and we'll pick a winner. So back to my recipe, raw snacks, and these are a nice chocolate energy balls that I'm going to be making here with some really yummy and healthy ingredients. And I'll sort of go over a few things. So I've actually combined hemp, flaxseed, buckwheat, and one more chia seeds to this. So great source of protein, great source of fiber, and then your good fats as well too, along with our coconut as well for good fats. And then we have over here, we have some almonds, and then Canadian whiskey. Just joking. It's actually 100% pure maple syrup for our sweeteners, and that will actually help bind everything together. Some liquid coconut oil, and then we also have, this is our cacao powder, and then we also, oh yes, by the way, let me come back here. Cacao powder, if you don't know it, actually has a natural magnesium, which is really good for a lot of great benefits. Magnesium is the most important thing. It's a very important mineral actually that we need in our body. Over here we have some cinnamon. So cinnamon is actually good for digestion, helps lower that blood sugar level as well too. And we're going to combine all these ingredients into one, and we're going to roll them up into balls, and then we're going to throw them in the freezer. And whenever you want to have a little snack, just grab one. So I'm going to bring my almonds over here. This is 1 cup of almonds that we used, and we're going to grind it all up in here to add to our mixture. So it's going to be a little bit loud, so bear with me guys. Chop. That should be good to go. I love this little mixer. And this is our chopped almonds. I'm going to add over to our bowl over here. So I'm actually going to take this out. And add that. Yummy. And we'll put this back over here, because I think I'm going to actually grind up my seeds. So this is 1/2 cup of our seeds, and we'll grind those up too. That's a lot better. So it makes it into more of a floury texture. You can see that as well too. Nice and ground, and we'll throw that in to the mixture. And then we're going to add our cacao powder to the mixture. And we're just going to stir that all up with a fork. Combine all the ingredients together. And then we'll take our, this is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon that we're adding. I love that smell of cinnamon. So good. And we'll combine our coconut shade to this. And stir this all. We'll fold it all in so you get a good mixture from the bottom to the top. I think I might have to switch to a larger bowl. Didn't realize how much ingredients really goes into these bowls. So my bowl is a little bit too small. So I'm actually going to be tossing it into a larger bowl so we can add a little bit more ingredients into it, and we can stir it a lot better. So I'll toss that over there, and then we'll come back to here. Stir it up a little bit more. And over here, what I've done in advance, I've chopped up some dates that we actually soaked in some hot water. So we'll add that combination into that as well too. And you can add a lot more if you like. So this will help keep, the dates will help keep everything together as well too. And then I'm going to add our coconut oil. And that will also help keep everything binding together. Does that look amazing? Oh, yummy. Here we go. Half a cup of maple syrup into our recipe mix. And then we're going to put this in the fridge and let it get hard for about 20 minutes before we can roll them into balls. And then once we roll them into balls, then we can put them in the freezer, and then they'll be ready to eat. Quick and easy. Great little snack for children as well too, and because it's so easy to do, they'll love to make it as well, especially after they try them. They're so yummy. All right, there you go, guys. We're gonna put them in the fridge, and we'll see you in a bit. And this is what it looks like after you're rolling them. Finger looking good. Remember your mom used to let you lick the spoon after you were baking with her? No spoon here. You can just lick your fingers and they're yours. Enjoy! Here at Inside Out, and we thank you for joining us, and I hope you love our recipe. So remember to put your comments down below and let us know what you think. And if there's anything else that you'd like us to share, also share that with us. And remember the avocado. What was your answer? Post it down below. See you soon. Till the next time, another episode with Inside Out with Barb. Bye. So, question, why does fudge? So, they're at least my fingers.